Titan used FA 12-ton crane boom truck promotional price $24,000. Titan used truck is the highest quality second-hand truck, all produced in 2025. Titan provides new engines, new gearboxes, new axles, new tires, and even new tire screws. Strong power, stable and reliable, easy to cope with various challenges. Flexible control, precise positioning, and easy to handle in a small space. One machine for multiple uses, efficient and convenient, saving you costs and improving efficiency. Welcome to Consult.